Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix overexposed photo in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to deal with overexposed photo, I'm going to show you an easy hack to deal with it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now click on the plus icon to choose the photo that you want to edit. Now as you can see, this photo is overexposed. So what we can do to fix this is simply click on tools at the bottom menu. Now select the tune image option. Now decrease the brightness according to your need. The brightness is 100% but still the photo is overly exposed. Simply click here to save changes and again repeat the process to make it even better. Click on tune image and again decrease the brightness, increase the contrast, saturation, ambience, highlights should be decreased, shadows, and warmth according to your need. And once you're happy with your photo, click here to save changes. And as you can see, just like that, we have fixed the overexposed photo in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.